Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm back with a full tour vlog of my stay in Coorg. Trust me, this place is pure heaven. So I stayed at this beautiful property and I'm gonna take you guys along for a complete experience from the cozy rooms to the dreamy pool views and of course the peaceful Coorg vibe. So let's get started. So guys, the last 1 kilometer road to this resort is like a mini roller coaster ride. Thoda twisty, thoda bumpy, but full of wow views all around. This tall trees gives you a vibe of like you are driving into the forest movie scene. So a quick info, if you are driving to Coorg, no need to worry, they have got enough space for your car. From the parking area, they actually have their own car ready for you because the main stay area is little uphill. And finally here we are, the Silent Brook Resort. The moment we reached, they already felt like peace and luxury had their own address here. So in the entrance they have beautiful elephant statue here, you can see this, and then this beautiful peaceful reception area. In the corner they have Lord Buddha's peaceful statue, which honestly adds so much serenity to the space. And right next to the reception area there is also cute kids play area, and just beside that there is a clubhouse area. And now folks, buckle up because we are heading uphill. Think of it as a short but thrilling hill ride. Dropping curves, slopes, greenery all around here. So a good driver here is a blessing. Thank God they have their own car and driver. And look at this, the stay here is like a tree house in the clouds. And here's the moment I love the most, the glass bridge leading to our stay. But heads up, free का advice ले लेना है तो लो. Since this is the hillside area, Coorg में बारिश surprise guest की तरह आ सकती है, so it can be slippery. Please take care of yourself. And now look at this magical view. My camera is also trying to capture the same thing. See for yourself. And then we have finally reached to our place. Wow. And I did exactly what I promised myself. Ran straight to the balcony. The view from there is pure magic. Valley or jungle, I'm not quite sure, but the feeling was you are literally above the world. Just me, fresh air, the view, and a big smile like a kid in a candy store. Okay guys, अब थोड़ा detail to time है. So let's go back to our room. The first moment, wow, it was really wow. Then every little detail caught my eye. The bed, the lamps, the workstation, the big window and our roof structure. I think this is थोड़ा wooden accent के साथ है. It all just said luxury meets nature. Everything about this room felt amazing and I genuinely couldn't wait to share it with you guys. So stay tuned क्योंकि next chapter में हम अभी तैयार शार होके बाहर जाने वाले हैं और पूरा resort का amenities भी दिखाऊंगी, dining area, pool area and this is bathroom भी equally dreamy है, वो setup white सब made. So guys, 4 बजे के आसपास मैं यहाँ पे पहुँच चुकी हूँ, तो I'll just quickly get ready and we'll have some quick snacks in resort's restaurant. So guys, as promised, I got ready super quickly. और लोग कहते हैं लड़कियाँ टाइम लगाती है रेडी होने में, कुछ भी. Anyways, आज का प्लान है थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर मोड ऑन करने का. I actually want to visit Raja's Seat and Omkareshwara temple today. Both are quite famous spots here in Coorg. But honestly, अभी ना टाइम हुआ है 4:30 और वेदर देख के लग रहा है it's 7 PM or something. Oof. Snacks में गर्मा गर्म पकौड़ा और चाय, that too for free. And right next to the restaurant, this is beautiful pool. Such a peaceful vibe. Oh, cool pool. Oh wait, am I rhyming or what? Oh, alright guys, let's go explore Raja's Seat first today. But it's raining right here and the ground is quite slippery, so please be careful when you are here. And guess what? What I said? Careful. And look who wasn't careful. Me. I actually slipped and thought I got badly hurt, but thankfully it's just a tiny wound. Coorg ने literally fall in love करवा दिया यार. Quite literally. Okay, थोड़ा रोना धोना करने के बाद भी I have explored Raja's Seat and came back. सो गाइज राजा सीट और ओमकारेश्वरा टेम्पल के लिए मैंने अलग से व्लॉग अपलोड कर दिया है. सो टुडेज फोकस इज ओनली ऑन साइलेंट ब्रुक रिजॉर्ट. सो यहाँ पे वहाँ से वापस आने के बाद मैं सीधा डिनर के लिए पहुँच गई. डिनर और ब्रेकफास्ट मैंने यहीं पे बुक कर दिया है. सो यू कैन सी देयर आर मेनी ऑप्शंस इन डिनर एंड डेजर्ट में भी बहुत ही अमेजिंग फूड था और सर्विस भी बहुत ही बढ़िया थी. वाओ, इवनिंग में तो ये ग्लास ब्रिज बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है. आई हैव क्लिक्ड सो मेनी पिक्चर्स फॉर इंस्टाग्राम. यू कैन चेक इट आउट. गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम कुर्ग गाइस. सुबह सुबह का वाइब यहाँ लिटरली फील्स लाइक थेरेपी. बर्ड्स चीपिंग, कूल ब्रीज एंड दैट फ्रेश स्मेल ऑफ नेचर. परफेक्ट स्टार्ट ऑफ द डे. आज का मूड थोड़ा काम और थोड़ा कोजी है. सो कॉफी इन वन हैंड, बुक इन अनदर. मेन Coorg वर्जन ऑफ मेन कैरेक्टर एनर्जी लेके बैठी हूँ. और मे बी जस्ट प्रिटेंडिंग टू रीड while enjoying this view. Who can concentrate when nature looks this good, right? But the calm didn't last long because the moment I saw the pool, excitement level 100%. Straight jump into the water, no second thoughts, and look at this view. Pool under the open sky, surrounded by trees, total postcard moment. Floating on the tube, relaxing, little swimming, little fun. Honestly, perfect morning workout / vacation vibe. After that chill pool time, it was breakfast o'clock. The restaurant here is just as stunning. You know, here we have booked dinner and breakfast both. We are staying here for 4 days and for 4 days we have enjoyed this breakfast. They have many options. Maharashtrian, North Indian, South Indian. They have all kinds of fruits, nuts, chutneys, juices and whatnot. They have live counter as well. You can have dosas, puris from there. And here I am. I'm enjoying my breakfast in restaurant's balcony with this soothing background of nature. It feels like the perfect Coorg morning. Peaceful, scenic and full of good food, good vibes. So after this breakfast, I'm gonna get ready and today I'm going to explore Abbey waterfalls and many other places. I'm going to upload all those vlogs on my channel. So please stay tuned. Pick up life. Signing off for the day. See you soon.